Government agencies, switch to VitalPBX system today. With so many choices for communication systems, discover why VitalPBX is the right one for your organization. VitalPBX is quickly becoming a preferred choice for government agencies because of its robust feature set, reliable performance, and cost-effectiveness. It provides a secure environment for government agencies that is difficult for hackers to breach or gain access to sensitive data and information, with its state-of-the-art software that includes data encryption protocols and secure authentication methods. Its intuitive design makes it easy for both novice and experienced users to navigate through its many functions. The system's unified communications capabilities enable real-time collaboration between employees in multiple offices or locations. Government agencies often face the same challenge: how to make sure their budget goes as far as possible. The answer is simple: switch to a VitalPBX system today. VitalPBX offers a cost-effective solution. This system offers significant cost savings while ensuring return on investment within a short period. VitalPBX offers several features and functions that are essential for government agencies, such as an intuitive user interface, advanced collaboration tools, and increased security. In addition, VitalPBX's cost-effectiveness makes it an ideal choice for many government agencies. Try VitalPBX today.